So guys, I'm on my way to the airport, flying to Cape Town today. We are shooting a project and doing some recording for a campaign that we are running. So if you're interested in seeing what a creative director gets up to, pull in.
It's always a good idea to keep your belts fastened. Also, please pay attention out there. Our cabin crew safety demonstration. Going 737, 810 aircraft.
So I've just checked in, but I will give you guys more context of what we are doing while I'm in Cape Town. Hey guys, so I'm back in my hotel room. Essentially why I'm in Cape Town is to shoot a campaign for one of our clients. It's a popular South African brand. So my role as the creative director at the shoot is to give direction, ensure that the idea or the concept is coming through strongly, ensure that we are producing something that's of a high quality and a high standard, and essentially just control the process of what is being produced. So I'll be working closely with the photographer, the stylist, the model / actor. And on Thursday we will record radios. It's got a big day tomorrow. Catch you guys then. Bye.
We are here in Cape Town shooting the surf fruit summer campaign.
Running camera.
Gosh.
Okay.
And always squeeze the day the surf fruit way.
Cool. Alright, perfect. Okay.
Join the back to back and then I walk. Be the refreshment you want to see in the world. Be the refreshment you want to see in the world. Be the refreshment you want to see. As I always say, the path to fulfillment begins at the juice fridge.
Pizza.
Just a, yeah.
A mindful moment with the fruit. Fruitful one?
That's funny, yeah.
Pretty much as a whole essay.
Yeah, but it's good. The vibe's good.
Think of one more. The mindful moment with the fruit. And the fruitful one?
Beautiful.
Mark, Mamaki. One can squeeze the day by shaking it up a little. Clap a surf fruit ginger shot and switch your weight sesh for some yoga. Then smash a surf fruit peanut butter.
Got it?
A surf fruit ginger shot and switch your weight sesh for some yoga. Then smash a surf fruit peanut butter smoothie.
Got it?
Yeah. I need to do something at the end. I think I've got a plan. I just want to find something I can do both. Otherwise, Jules gonna throw her phone at me.
And squeeze the day the surf fruit way.
It's gonna work.
Yes, it makes such a big difference with the atmospheric sounds.
In pursuit of eternal happiness, allow nutrients to flow through oneself as prunes flow through the elderly. Until next time, Masala Gashli.
Morning, guys. I thought I would give you a bit of an update where we left off on that campaign that I was shooting in Cape Town. It's been about 2 weeks. What's been happening is we finalized all the radio scripts, had those recorded, those are ready to go onto radio, done selects of all the images we're going to use from the shoot. Video has been edited. But at the same time, we are also working on some other projects, and one of those is a shoot for one of our clients who is a lifestyle decor and DIY brand. We are shooting their decor catalog. The clips you'll see is from yesterday. That was the behind the scenes. So this shoot is a little bit different. I'm really just there to manage the process a little bit. I will record a bunch of clips today, show you behind the scenes. Quite a big production, but we're only shooting a few shots. hopefully that gives you another perspective. Yes, the South African roads. There is a massive pothole. Cheers.